AMECEE 2026 Exam Pattern and Syllabus. MECEE 2026, your gateway to aircraft maintenance, aeronautical, aerospace, and other aviation courses. Exam pattern: 75 questions for 300 marks for PCM, PCB diploma, and 10th students. For PCM and PCB, physics, chemistry, and maths or biology, 25 questions each. For diploma, BTEC, and 10th, general awareness, English and aptitude, 25 questions each. The syllabus covers maths, physics, chemistry, plus GA, English and reasoning. Start your aviation journey today. Apply for AMECEE 2026 now.